Okay, this is the assignment, the file that you gave me that there. And what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to steal from this right here your the bulk of that there. First off, I'm going to make a few things. Initially we're just going to set the balance equal to 1,000, and I'm not going to use bank balance anywhere here. So basically your bank balance is 1,000. I'm going to change that to right there, and I'm going to put a %I here, and I'm going to put a comma balance right there, and I'm just going to test it to make sure I didn't break anything right here. Run, compile and run, and it shows 1,500, and we lost, so right there, so right there. So I'm just going to start that right here, and I'm going to grab this whole thing right here, and I'm going to change this to balance right there, so that it doesn't want, because our balance is going to go down as we go through that there. So I'm going to steal this whole thing right here, starting with no, right here where it says scanf that there. I'm going to just steal this whole thing here and all the way up till right here. I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to create a new function, and I'm going to give this an int play game right there, and we're going to not pass it anything void right there, and bracket, and I'm just going to paste all that right there. So that there. So again, here this is enumerated that there. We also need to take this here and cut that and put that in our function right here, play game right there. Those are two variables that are needed right there. Right there. And I'm going to call play game right here. Right here. And I'm going to just going to put I'm going to have another variable that I'm going to call in here. I'm just going to call it I int I, and I'm just going to say I equals play game right there, and we're going to pass nothing right there. And I'm going to dip back here at the end here where it says you lose. I'm going to say return 0 here right there, and if you win, I'm going to return a 1 right there. Return 1. I may or may not use that. It's up to you. But let's see if that works right there. Execute, run, and 500. And it plays exactly the same, but the difference is now we're doing this in this function right here. So balance is that there. So up here, we can then go ahead and we can do and close my bracket right here. Got that. Do. And we can say until balance equals 0. For example, right there. I think that'll work. Execute, run, and 500. All right, so again, you got your prompt. Now we're ignoring the prompt right there for right now. So right there, so it ends right there. Now balance. I don't know why it did not play again right there. Your balance is right there. Balance until play game is until balance right there. But you know, again, you need to until balance is equals 0. You can do this while balance greater than 0 right there. And actually, let's delete that there. That should be fine. Let's delete it here. Right there. That might work there. But I'm going to let you play with that there. But that's what. And it gives me that there expected a while. Right there. While before bracket. And what that there. Maybe I got my syntax wrong on my do while right there. Before that there. Let me just do a quick check on my syntax. See do while right there. And oh, I need to put the while at the end. Right there. Cut that. And put it back here, actually. And put my semicolon there. That should work. Right there. 500. Right there, we played again. We've got 1,000. Right there. Now again, we don't have the wager. It's not waiting for my wager right there. So again, we've got some issues at there. Play game into your wager is scanf. Why is it not waiting for my wager? And I think it's right here on this scanf. We've got some issues here. Right there. Let's go ahead and pull that out right there. You don't need it here. You need to put that back in your main loop right there. Your balance is. And again, I'm going to cut that. Again, we're going to put that up above. Your balance is. Cut that. And we'll do right here. Right here, please. Again, our wager. Oh, actually, wager is declared globally. Yeah, globally right there. So scanf right there. So again, we would then put in our printf and your balance is %d right there. Right there. Balance right here. And then we have our play game right there. And let's see if that executes. And again, my goal here is not to finish this for you, but to just kind of give you a hint on where you would go with it. So we're going to do 500. Now we've got 1,000. So now we're going to bet 1,000 at this point. We're up to 2,500. We're winning here. So let's bet everything here. We lost. Oh, I keep winning right here. Okay, you see now we finally lost that there. So you can see that it does that. And now what you need to add right there is also, the question, and then you would say, for example, and then you would put your that there. But I'm going to just kind of quit it at this point right here, and I will delete this right here. But you need to put in the other, where you ask this user the question of when to finish right here, right there. Let me just project execute, compile, and run. Make sure I didn't break it. So we're going to bet 1,000 here, and we lost right there. So let me just file save as. So my document's craps 1. It's a C file right there. We're going to save it as a C file right there. Save right there, and I will post that up on Facebook with this video.